the city blur, street lights bending every word. Driver doesn't say a thing, radio low, soft static ring. Rain taps hard against the glass like it knows we didn't last. Phone lights up but not your name, different now but still the same. Water streaks like something crying, but I'm not, I'm just quiet. It's just rain on the Uber ride, running down the other side. I don't need to justify what we were or why we tried. City humming, red tail lights, everything feels far tonight. It's just rain on the Uber ride, and I'm somewhere in between. Goodbye. Meter ticking 12:08, your address fades off the map. Driver asks if I'm okay, I say yeah and leave it at that. There's your jacket in my bag, still smells like last week's smoke. I thought I'd feel something loud, but mostly I just feel broke. Raindrops racing down the pane, like they're trying to outrun change. It's just rain on the Uber ride, running down the other side. I don't need to dramatize all the things we left behind. Wipers cutting through the night, neon bleeding into white. It's just rain on the Uber ride, and I'm somewhere in between. Goodbye. Maybe it was meant to end in a moving car at 10 past 10. No slam doors, no final scene, just glass and gasoline. It's just rain on the Uber ride, city washed in silver light. Nothing shattered, nothing cried, just quiet on the passenger side. Driver turns onto my street, engine hums beneath my feet. It's just rain on the Uber ride, and I'm almost home tonight.